There was this fucking brown bird. Didn't want it to fly high. And it also wanted to, to be a dolphin. So she grew a tail. Okay. Appetite for the fish. I said, okay, cool. Now I'm gonna be a fucking dolphin. So instead of flying high like other birds, you just crawl on the fucking hills looking for the ocean. And here comes the fucking wolf. And wolf said, hold on. I think I have an idea. So he grew just to be big enough to fucking eat the dolphin, okay? And he opened his mouth and swallowed the fucking dolphin. That's it.